Hello students of class 10. In this video, I will discuss some important question for your second unit test. Please go through the questions and try to memorize properly for all the answers, question answers for your second unit part. Okay? So let's start with 2 marks questions. So first, what is ocean current or define ocean current? You know what is ocean current? The horizontal movement of ocean water is called ocean current. What is biomedical waste? With example you have to write. 2 characteristics of red soil. Any 2 characteristics of red soil. Write the problems for Indian agriculture. Indian agriculture has many problems. What are those? Means monsoon, irregularities of monsoon you can write. Then soil character you can write. Then what is scrubbing? Scrubbing is a procedure of waste management mainly associated with gaseous waste. Write the differences between Rabi crop and Kharif crop. One is winter crop, one is summer crop. So when you will get this type of differences for 2 marks, example is not a point. Be careful, example is not a point. Write any 2 examples of Zayed crop, any 2 examples you can attempt. Define biodegradable waste along with definition you have to write and example. Definition and example. Define tidal bore and definition plus in which river mainly tidal bores occur. Differences between Khadar and Bhangar. Again, characteristics of black soil and alluvial soil. What is apogee and perigee? Apogee means near and perigee. Ap means away from the moon and peri means near the moon. And what is plantation farming? Plantation farming plus 1 or 2 crops grown in plantation farming like tea, coffee, rubber, etc. Like short note you can get like this type of short note like spring tide. What is spring tide? What is landfill? What is Gulf Stream? Social forestry, domestic waste, commercial waste, commercial crop, domestic waste, solid and liquid waste, Ban Mahotsav, plantation farming, etc. Agroforestry. Now you will get give reasons for your answers. Okay, 4 into 2 means 8 marks. Give reason means role of students in waste management, means how you can handle the waste management program. Then why foggy condition prevails in the Newfoundland coast. Then why June cultivation is practiced. What is the need of practicing June cultivation. Why waste management is important. Why waste management is needed, that you have to write. Why tide does not occur exactly after 24 hours. You know that tide occurs at an interval of 24 hours. Primary tide occurs at an interval of 24 hours 53 minutes. From exactly where from the 53 minutes come, given in the answer tide hydrosphere tide portion in your PDF, you go through this. Next, why we should manage biomedical waste separately. You know nowadays the very important biomedical waste, that is during the corona period, corona crisis period, what are the biomedical waste, that is PPE kit, mask, gloves, everything that are used, that should be treated separately. Why? Because of the germs. Okay, mainly you have to write properly there. Rice cultivation flourished in Gangetic plain of India. Why rice cultivation flourished in Gangetic plain? Because of the favorable climatic condition, all the favorable geographical conditions from starting from temperature, rainfall, soil, relief, all are favorable there in the Gangetic plain. So rice cultivation flourished there. Now you will get what? 10 into 2 means broad question. 10 into 2, 20 marks. In 10 marks also there is divisions, means 5 plus 3 plus 2, 4 plus 4 plus 2, etc. In this way you have to attend. There first question you can get that causes of soil erosion you can get. What are the measures taken to control soil erosion you can get. What is toxic waste, non-toxic waste, or you can get the means classification of waste according to its physical condition. Next you can get what is what are the reasons causes for the formation of ocean current. Effect already came this year. So causes, very important, ocean current causes. Then from tide portion you can get what are the causes of formation of tide, and from crop portion you can get what the favorable condition for the formation of cultivation of tea or rice or wheat, anything. For 5 marks answer, and for justification please give one introduction. Okay, I think it is clear, and you will get 5 plus 5, 4 plus 4, 5 plus 3 plus 2, or 4 plus 4 plus 2 in this pattern. And one thing again I am telling, that read the book thoroughly, go through your book and the PDF, whatever you have done in your classwork copy, please go through it. And for giving the exam, you will give in your unit test copy, in the white page of your unit test copy, you should mention your name, class, section, roll number, and which set you writing. Okay, set number. Because you are not able to give the first page through email, you will get, we will attach, you will make the PDF from the white page. So write down, mention your name, class, section, roll number, and set number positively in the white page. Then from that page you will start writing, okay, positively. So best of luck for your exam. Thank you.